Next-level underwater tech you've never seen before. What if you could explore the ocean like never before, gliding through the deep with futuristic gear or using high-tech drones to capture breathtaking marine life? In this video, we're diving into mind-blowing underwater gadgets that are redefining ocean exploration. From cutting-edge diving tech to next-gen marine drones, these innovations aren't just cool. They're changing the way we study, protect, and experience the ocean. Get ready to be amazed by the game-changing tech making waves beneath the surface. Underwater drones. Dive into the fascinating world of underwater drones, where technology meets the mysteries of the ocean. Take the PowerRay, for example. This incredible drone captures stunning underwater footage, allowing users to explore marine life like never before. These drones are not just for hobbyists. They play a vital role in marine research and exploration, helping scientists study ecosystems and monitor environmental changes. Additionally, they're becoming popular tools for fishing enthusiasts, providing real-time insights into fish behavior and habitats. Thanks to recent technological advancements, these drones are now more accessible than ever, making it easier for anyone to embark on their underwater adventures and contribute to ocean conservation efforts. Smart diving masks. Discover the innovative world of smart diving masks that are transforming the diving experience. Take the Oceanic OC, for instance. This cutting-edge mask provides divers with real-time data, ensuring they stay informed throughout their underwater adventures. With features like integrated GPS, divers can easily navigate their surroundings, while built-in dive logs help track their underwater journeys. Communication systems allow divers to stay connected with their buddies, enhancing safety and coordination. These advanced gadgets not only elevate the convenience of diving, but also significantly improve safety by providing crucial information at a glance. Embrace the future of diving with smart masks that make every dive more enjoyable and secure. Underwater scooters. Get ready to experience the thrill of underwater scooters, where exploration meets excitement. Devices like the Yamaha Sea-Scooter allow divers to glide effortlessly through the water, making it easier to cover larger areas and discover hidden treasures beneath the surface. These scooters are perfect for recreational diving, enabling divers to enjoy the beauty of marine life without exhausting themselves. They also enhance underwater photography, allowing photographers to capture stunning shots while effortlessly maneuvering through currents. The fun factor is undeniable, as these scooters are user-friendly and suitable for both beginners and experienced divers alike. Dive into a new level of adventure with underwater scooters that make every dive an unforgettable experience. Submersible ROVs. Delve into the fascinating world of remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, that are revolutionizing underwater exploration. Take the Open ROV, for example. This remarkable device can reach depths that are simply inaccessible to humans, allowing us to explore the ocean's mysteries like never before. ROVs have a wide range of applications, from scientific research and underwater archaeology to environmental monitoring, providing invaluable data that helps us understand our oceans better. They play a crucial role in advancing our knowledge of marine ecosystems, enabling scientists to study habitats and species in their natural environments. With ROVs, we're not just observing the ocean. We're uncovering its secrets and protecting its future. Underwater communication devices. Communication is key when it comes to diving, and gadgets like the Subwave are changing the game for divers everywhere. These innovative devices enable clear communication underwater, allowing divers to share important information in real time. This enhanced communication significantly boosts safety and coordination among dive teams, ensuring everyone is on the same page during their underwater adventures. In rescue operations, these devices can be lifesavers, allowing teams to quickly relay critical information and respond effectively in emergencies. Whether you're exploring a reef or conducting a team dive, underwater communication devices are essential tools that enhance both safety and teamwork, making every dive a more secure and enjoyable experience. In this video, we explored a range of cutting-edge underwater gadgets that are revolutionizing how we experience the ocean. From smart diving masks that provide real-time data to underwater scooters that make deep-sea exploration effortless, these innovations are pushing the boundaries of marine adventure. We also dived into the importance of underwater communication devices and the game-changing role of ROVs in expanding our understanding of marine ecosystems. These technologies don't just enhance safety and convenience. They bring us closer than ever to the mysteries of the deep. Now, we want to hear from you. Which underwater gadget impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this deep dive into ocean tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exploration. Stay tuned. TECH-OUTTA-HERE is taking you beyond the surface and into the future of innovation.